finally, a complete done-for-you business. With everything needed. Yes, everything you will need is included. Really? Yep, no kidding. And what if 8 affiliate products are included, all with 100% commissions and guaranteed approval? This is a cloud-based system, therefore no website hosting is needed. All hosting is included. Also included is a complete autoresponder, with all the pre-written emails done for you, and ready to go. So, what's this all about anyway? Affiliate marketing. And a completely done for you super funnel. Introducing My Super Funnel. Affiliate marketing made easy for you. Everything is done for you, including lead generation. And the best part is, you can build your list while earning 100% commissions. Okay, let's go and take a look at my super funnel right now.
In this video, I want to show you how to use My Super Funnel. So My Super Funnel is what you could probably expect by its name. It's a done-for-you funnel. It's a system that allows you to earn affiliate commissions with everything done for you. So it starts off with the lead magnet. When people opt in via the lead magnet, they are then hard-coded to you by their IP address. Once they're hard-coded to you, the system will automatically send out a 30-day email follow-up sequence offering them products for sale, products that you will get 100% affiliate commissions on. You also get 100% affiliate commissions on the upgrade offers to those products. So each of those products also have upgrade offers, and you get 100% affiliate commissions to those as well as to the front end. My Super Funnel is the upgraded and advanced version of my InstaFunnel software. It works very similar, except that there is a much deeper funnel and that there's upgrades to the products. Also, the software that's in the funnel is the newest software that I've created. So I'm going to go ahead real quick and I'm going to show you how to use My Super Funnel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the settings button and go to the settings section. And in here, you're going to want to put your JVZoo affiliate ID. And you can get your JVZoo affiliate ID from the My Account section inside of JVZoo. If you have any retargeting code, if you do any retargeting, you can enter your retargeting code in here. If you don't do retargeting code, then you don't have to worry about this. This is only for people that actually do retargeting. Once you put your JVZoo ID in here, you can go ahead and click on Save Settings. The next thing you want to do is click each of these buttons. Now, these are the products that you're going to be selling inside of My Super Funnel. And as I said, you're also going to get 100% commissions for the upgrades that are offered to your customers, not just to the front end. So go ahead and click on each button and you'll be taken to the JVZoo affiliate page for each one, and you can request to be an affiliate for each one of those products. Just make sure you enter in your receipt information for My Super Funnel in the notes section when you request to be an affiliate, so that way I know to approve you. Once that's done, everything is all set up and you're ready to go. You can actually go back to the main page and you can see your lead magnets. Now, there are 3 done-for-you lead magnets inside of My Super Funnel. You can send traffic to any one of those lead magnets that you want. When people opt in to get the free gift that's offered inside those lead magnets, they will then be hard-coded via their IP address to you, and My Super Funnel will send out a done-for-you email sequence right from the system that will offer them the affiliate products that you were approved for over a 30-day period. If they go ahead and purchase those products or any of the upgrades, you will get a 100% commission on those products. The last thing I want to show you is the stats section. Inside of the stats section, you can see the number of leads that you've generated over the last 7 days and the number of people that have visited your pages over the last 30 days. You can go ahead and click on download to download all of your leads, or you can download only the 30-day old leads, meaning you'll only download the people that have already gone through the done-for-you funnel. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use My Super Funnel.
Is this a cool product or not? Just click the link below for more information and to get instant access. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the other side.